Caseology Cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So I want to give Caseology a special shout out for sending these cases over. So let's dive right in. So as you can see, they sent me hella cases. I have what, 9? I have 10 cases to look into. This is the Skyfall. I have 3 Skyfalls. Caseology Legion, I have 3 Legions here. And the Caseology Parallax, I got 3 of them here. So let's have a look at this one. And then let's see, ready for impact as always. And then floor, meet your match. Caseology, iPhone 11 Pro Max, bottom part numbers, etc. All right, so let's have a look. Throw that to the side. Okay, what do we have in here? We have a welcome to the club. We're happy to have you, Caseology. I'm happy to be in the club. Thank you. Logo right there. Check that out. And then CaseologyCases.com. Go check them out. And then thank you for trusting us. Make a difference. We're not happy until you are. Pause the video if you want to read that. Throw that to the side. This is the case itself. As you can see, check out the inside pattern. And then here it says, you see that? So what does that say? Let me read it right here. Caseology Vault series for Apple. Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. CaseologyCases.com and Caseology branding right there. So let me go ahead. That's what that says. Caseology right there. Nice attention to detail. Love it. Pattern on the inside. Flexible TPU case. Matte black finish. All right, let's go ahead and just have a look. Get this debris off the phone. What is this? Get off the phone. Here we go. Nice and easy. Ooh, I got first impressions. Nice amount of grip on this one. Wow. Look at this. Very nice. Nice and grippy. Wow. All right, so from the front, black case, black border, blends in perfectly with the black front of the 11 Pro Max. On the side, cut out for your alert slider, and then a raised button for your volume button, raised button for your power. On the bottom cutouts, check that out. Cut out for your Type-C, or I mean the lightning port. Nothing on top. Take a look at the front lip. A good amount of lip here. Very nicely on the table design. Should not be a problem. And then let's go ahead and test the button. Nice and clicky. Very nice. And then this one. Nice and clicky as well. And then alert slider. Stick your finger in there. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, now on the back, cut out for your triple camera setup. Have a look. And then matte black finish back here. Let's see. Yeah, repels fingerprints, so that should not be a problem. And then on this part of the case, I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually a slightly different design on, I'd say, the top third of the case. Similar to like a Pixel kind of design, right? Like the Pixel phones. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a pattern here on the top third, like kind of matches the camera cutout. Like from this point up, it's a different design. I'm trying to get the light to hit it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. And then Caseology branding on the bottom, right there. Cool. Matte black finish. I like this case. Nice and simple, to the point, provides a reasonable amount of protection. Good grip too. Nice, I like this one. So this one is the Caseology Vault for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Approved by me. Love this case. All right, so let's go ahead and, oh, one more thing. Almost forgot. What's wrong with me? Let's turn this on. Will it wirelessly charge? Yes, it will. As you can see right there, the indicator. So wireless charging works. I almost forgot. I knew I was gonna forget something. Anyway, so this is the Caseology Vault. All right, next up, Let's check out the Skyfalls. All right, so this one is the Skyfall for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Important. There's some clear film, I guess. Okay, the box is the same as previously, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Throw that to the side. And then here's the case. Clear case with a black trim. Oh. Now, I like how this one has a tab. So it's very easy removal. Woo! Nice and fast. Throw that to the side and then do the same thing on this one. Well, okay, now the tab is kind of in here too. So let me, can I get it? Oh man. Okay, I think I got it. All right, let's have a moment of silence. Woo! Nice and fast. And have a look. Nice and crystal clear, as you can see. You have a black design right here. Caseology branding. All right, let's just go ahead and put the phone in. We'll have a look. Ooh, nice and tight fit, this one. Hold on a second. Nice and very tight fit, actually. Can I get the phone in here? There you go. Yeah, nice and snug. Nice and snug fit, which is a good thing, actually. Ooh, nice and grippy too. Wow, this is very grippy. All right, let's have a look right meow. All right, from the front, you get that clear kind of border, which looks kind of cool. And then on the sides, you have your raise buttons for your volume, and then the alert switch, and then the power here. So we'll go ahead and check out the tactility, and then the volume, very tactile, and then access to the alert slider. Yeah, no problems with that. We'll take a look at the lay on the table design. Yeah, you got a good amount of front lip here. It kind of raises a little bit. I don't know if you can see that on camera. From like this point forward, it's a little bit of a raise. And yeah, it kind of does it a little bit on the bottom as well. You may not see that on camera, but it raises from here, kind of raises up a little bit. Now, if you want to show off the color of your iPhone, whether you got the midnight green, the gold, the silver, or the space gray, consider this case. Cut out for the fidget spinner camera setup. Should provide it with some protection as well, in case if you drop it this way. And then what else am I missing? Caseology branding on the bottom right there. I like how it's just small, it's very subtle, not in your face or anything. Nice. Feels good to hold, nice and grippy. I dig it. I dig it. Approved by me also. Very nice. And then, I don't want to forget, like I did last time. So let's turn that on and then lay the phone down. Should work. See the indicator? Wireless charging works. Very nice. Let's check out these other colorways. Now this one is their gold, or is this rose gold? No, this is just their gold Skyfall for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you can see. Now, this will look best on, obviously, the gold iPhone, or if you have the black one, that might look pretty good on the black one as well. So have a look at this one, give you an idea. I do like the coating that they use on the frame here. Nice and grippy, and the TPU is nice and grippy too. Could be my hands are just sticky at the moment, but yeah, have a look at this one. This is the gold one. Everything else the same as previously. Yeah, this one's cool. All right, I'm gonna check out the red one. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Like if this was the black one, oh, that would look so sick. Black and red. Ooh, Caseology branding right there. Missed that. My bad. Nice. Let's take a look at the Parallax series of cases next. This one is the Caseology Parallax for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, as you can see. Check out the box real quick. Caseologycases.com. Go check them out. Same thing on this side of the box. On the back, pause the video. Ready for impact as always. Floor meter match. Very nice. We'll have a look at this one right now. Throw that to the side, give that a flick. And this is the case. And as you can see, oh yeah, check out that holographic diamond kind of pattern on the inside. I dig it. Check that out right there. Looks like a snowflake. Nice. Okay, now on the inside, this one says, let me read it right here. Parallax series for Apple, Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea, caseologycases.com, Caseology branding on the bottom. Very nice attention to detail. I like it. Let's go ahead and put the 11 Pro Max in. Snaps right on. All right, from the front, black case, blends in perfectly with the black front of the 11 Pro Max. We'll check out the lay on the table design. Good amount of front lip on this one. Very nice. Raise button for your volume and access to your switch. Just stick your finger in it, right? That's what she said. Not a problem. And then we'll check out the buttons. Raise button for the power as well, which I'm going to test the clickiness right. Meow. Nice and clicky. Volume, nice and clicky as well. I dig it. On the bottom, check out the cutouts for the speakers and also your lightning port. And we'll flip it over in the back and the case looks like this. Now this one is in their black colorway, honeycomb pattern. I'm trying to get the light to hit it. Probably not doing a very good job, right, Meow? A little bit of a honeycomb pattern, and there's a little bit of, you can actually feel the pattern as well. The bumps in the case itself, nice attention to detail this case has. And then we'll take a look at the cutout for the camera, so you can see right there, and then also this way, a little bit of a raise to protect the lens. And also check out the design right here, a little bit of a design cue. It's not just an opening, but there's a little bit of a design here. It kind of opens up like this. And then it says Caseology right there. Yeah, I'm digging this case. It has a lot of little design tweaks about it. Feels good to hold as well. Nice and grippy. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the Parallax in the silver colorway. Open this right now. Inside, check out that pattern right there. And now you can see better the text I was reading earlier. Caseology branding, etc. And then here you go. From the front, you get that light blue border. Looks cool. And then everything else is the same as previously. Yeah, I like this one too. Very nice. And I just realized I forgot to test out the wireless charging on this one. So I have it right here. Turn it on and then lay the phone down and it should wirelessly charge. As you can see, very nice. So this is the Parallax in this colorway, light blue. Check this one next. All right, from the front, black border blends perfectly in the front. The back's gonna look like this. Give you an idea. Nice, yeah. Yeah, I like this one the best. I'll be honest. If you have the black iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, get this one. Nice. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the Caseology Legion series next. Caseology Legion for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Preview the case right there. Check out the box real quick. Fluorometer match. On the bottom, we got part numbers, etc. On the back, ready for impact as always. Compact, ready for combat. Open the packaging. Throw that to the side. Let's check out the case. On the inside, you have the pattern here. And then on the inside, there's text here as well, like the other cases. Legion series for Apple, and then Caseology branding down there. Okay, phone snaps right in. Oh man, hella grippy. Nice. Yeah, I don't know, there's a plastic frame back here. I don't know whatever coating Caseology uses on their cases here, on their plastic, under under polycarbon, but it's nice and grippy, man. I like it. All right, from the front, black case, blends in perfectly with the black front of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is very nice. We'll check out the front lip, lay on the table design, good amount of front lip here. And then we have the raise button for the power, or excuse me, raise button for the volume, and then the cutout for the alert slider, which stick your finger in it, that's what she said, right? And then the power here, nice and clicky AF, and then volume, nice and clicky. On the bottom, we'll check out the cutouts. Have a look, nothing on top. And then on the back, you have a carbon fiber pattern on the top and bottom. You have a cutout for your fidget spinner camera setup, and then a little bit of Caseology branding on the bottom, nice and subtle. Looks really good back here, nice and stealth, all black. This will look best on the black iPhone 11. This will be black right here also. Will blend right in, very nice. Nice and grippy. I dig it. Yeah, this case is pretty tight, man. I like it. All right, so before I forget, yet again, the wireless charging should work, no issues with that. Cool, so this one is the Caseology Legion for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I got two more here. We'll check out these two colorways, red and I think this one's a navy blue. We'll check it out right now. From the back, check that out. Now I think this will look best on the black 11 Pro. The blue would add a touch of color. Nice. All right, we'll check out the red one next. Now this is the Caseology Legion in their black and red colorway. Now take a look at this. Woo! Now this one is nice. Look at that. Hot like fire, literally. The red interior reminds me of a Civic Type R or Integra Type R valve cover for some reason. Let me know in the comments if you're in the Honda game. If you're wondering, that's the Timmer's EM1. That's what the EM1 is, a 99 Civic Si. So if you're wondering what the EM1 means. I'm also a car enthusiast, but I also like technology. That's why I have this channel. So, but anyway, going off track a little bit. But yeah, this case, yeah, I like the interior of this case. Look at that red. Woo! Smoking hot. Hot like fire. This will look best if you have the black iPhone 11. But let's go ahead and put this midnight green one in. We'll have a look. All right, from the front, red border, very nice. And then flip it over in the back, it's gonna look like this. Yeah, this one's cool. Probably rock this one, to be honest. And check out the carbon fiber, the red CF pattern there, and then on the bottom as well. Cool, so these are Caseology cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you're interested in any of these cases, I'm gonna go ahead and put links in the description down below. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything lined up here, organized. And I wanna give Caseology a special shout out for sending all of these cases over. Check this out. Woo! Nice. Thanks for watching. Peace out.